Hey, so welcome back to WhatKarenLoves. There was a reason why there was no video yesterday, okay? My memory cards had broke, so I got a new memory card, but today is kind of fun because I finally get to do a fashion haul with you guys and a try on, possibly. I'm actually wearing one outfit from the clothes that I got, and this is featuring American Eagle. I really love everything I got, and I really love the material of this shirt. It's so like comfy, and yeah, who doesn't love long sleeves, right? So I really like it. All right, anyways, so first and foremost, let's get started, shall we? And excuse the blush, I don't know why it's so bright, but for some reason, like, I just put one layer on and it looks brighter on camera. Okay, all right. Here is another pair of pants that kind of looks like the same ones I'm wearing, but kind of a little bit of different. I really love the way these looks. You know, I hate ripped jeans, but I like these because it doesn't go all the way through. You know, there's like the material right here, so it kind of looks like it's ripped, but it's like not all the way through where you can, like, you know, make it worse. You know, like, you know what I mean. And then it has like the design on the back too, which I thought was pretty cool. Hope you guys can see, but look at that, that's so cute. Okay, and like I just really love how these pants look, to be honest with you. Okay, I'm kind of looking in the mirror myself to make sure it looks good in the camera. Okay, that's one pair of pants. I won't be trying those on because they're kind of like similar to these, so it's not really much of a difference. So, be why you won't see those in there. But here's another pair of pants that I found that didn't have rips in it. Just a normal pair of pants, which I love. And I love the stitching of this. Look at that. It's so pretty. Hope you guys can see that. Camera. Okay. Anyways. Alright, another pair of pants that have no rips on them, which I thought was really pretty. So for the back, kind of has like a little bit of like the distressed look, you know what I mean? It's sort of, you know, it's not like it's like that bad. I just like the way it looks. So, I just think it looks good. Okay. Alright. And let's see. Here's another shirt. I really love the color of it. You know, it has like the little design for American Eagle. I really love the way it looks. So, okay. And this one is like my all-time favorite that I got. It's so soft, like legit soft. I love the colors and the look of it. Long sleeves because right now we're still kind of cold right now here in Virginia. And I really love how soft it is though. I got some stuff in here from like Walmart trips, so like I'm trying to like dig through the ones. Okay. Okay. Alright, this is another one from American Eagle. And it's kind of like this one with a different color. And I really loved the way it looked. So, there's that one. Alright. So, that is the haul. So, let's get to trying on, shall we? Alright. I'll see you then. Bye. I just got done doing the haul and try on. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Thank you guys so much for watching. The new blog will be down below. I'm hoping this edited great. We'll see how that goes. But I really did like everything I liked. I really enjoyed everything I got, to be honest. I needed some new clothes, and yeah. So, hope you guys enjoyed some of the looks I got. And let me know down below which one was your favorite. And I really love the way these look right now. So cool. Anyways, I'll see you guys on the next one. And of course, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And check out the eye. Oh, wait, before you go, the next video should be the bloodlust related video. It should be maybe makeup tutorial review type thing of it. I think I'm expected to get it Monday, so so that Friday I should be able to do that. So stay tuned for that, and I'll see you guys then. Until then, I hope you guys have a great day. Bye. That's all. XOXO.